Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at a variety of impressive machines from across the world. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this. First up, we have the LIEBHERR PR776, which is the world's largest hydrostatic bulldozer. Its operating weight is approximately 161,354 pounds. The blade capacity ranges from 24.20 to 28.80 cubic yards. It is powered by a 768 horsepower fuel-efficient engine. The hydrostatic travel drive automatically adjusts the operating speed to the load conditions. The blade is mounted very close to the mainframe, which amplifies force and assures optimum filling of the edge. The mainframe is constructed using a proven box section design, which provides maximum torsional stiffness and optimal absorption of forces. When it comes to transporting something huge, MAMMOET's name ranks first. The company accepts the most daunting transport missions. Recently, it replaced 2 bridges in Belgium within 2 weeks. Yet the exact figures have not been revealed, but each bridge apparently would be more than 120 feet, weighing several hundred tons. Using the MegaJack 300 system, both bridges were first lifted to 8 meters. They used SPMTs to carry and position the load on a floating barge. The barge, one by one, brought both bridges to their foundations. All this was done to improve the infrastructure for inland shipping around the port of Antwerp. Hitachi is one of the world's largest corporations, with over 20,000 products and 320,000 employees worldwide. Here we have 2 marvels from this company. The EX5606 is a 541-ton excavator with a 38 cubic yard bucket capacity. It is powered by 2 3,000 horsepower electric engines and can load large dump trucks in just 4 to 5 passes. The EH3500 is a 322-ton dump truck with a 117 cubic meter dump body and a 2,000 horsepower hybrid engine. It has an AC drive system that ensures a smooth operation, whether the car starts from a standstill, travels uphill or performs steering maneuvers. The pitch control system reduces bouncing and rebounding when the truck travels over uneven ground and comes to a stop. Next, we have the soil stabilizing system from ALLU Group. It is used across civil engineering projects, coastal facilities, solidification and contaminated site remediation. The processor converts the excavator into a powerful and versatile mixing tool. It can penetrate and effectively mix various difficult materials including clay, silt, peat, sludge and sediment to dredged material and contaminated soil. The computer-controlled binder feed prevents any unnecessary amount of binder from being fed. This machine can harden soft soil by adding a binder to the ground. Moreover, the equipment works perfectly for processing and encapsulating contaminated materials. Up next, we have the ER3000 from ERKAT. It is a drum cutter from ERKAT that has been designed for lime mining and demolition. It is a 1,650mm long, 1,330mm wide drum cutter with an 805mm diameter cutting head. This footage is taken from an open pit mine in France where the ER3000 is mounted on a LIEBHERR R964B HD, producing 100 tons of lime per hour. Next, we have the CAT 272D3, which is a 9,133 pound skid steer, has a 98 horsepower engine and its operating capacity is 3,450 pounds. The CAT snowblower can be connected to skid steer loaders, compact truck loaders and compact wheel loaders to remove snow. The CAT snowblower blades are ideal for winter cleanup and maintenance applications, whether there are streets, parking lots, driveways and sidewalks. Last but not least, we have the SSH 250. It's a forestry tiller with a large rotor that makes shred stumps up to 70 cm in diameter. It provides a working width of 2,560mm and a max operating depth of 500mm. It has a hydraulic powered roller that produces fine quality compacted soil faster. The increased distance between the grid and rear door allows better material flow. The W-style self-aligning device between the PTO drive shaft / gearbox allows the mulcher to work at several angles without damaging the PTO. The counterblade can be interchanged with internal wear plates to provide unmatched productivity and reliability. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.